Man, is it?
Alright, we don't hear from specialists for a while, so tell us 3 words to describe specialists right now in this day and age.
Alright, right now you don't know the people in the year specialists for a while, but right now specialists are bring a unique sound, a more mature specialist, a more bigger voice, all heap of new thing to the thing that the people can. You see me? Just look out for right now, you see me?
What specialists been up to?
Alright, right now you don't know depart from Down Sound Record. You don't know Down Sound Record should the thing I wrote back in them time there, you see me?
Yeah.
You don't know give thanks for the things same. We have to big up Joe Bogdanovich, big up Scatter, you don't know. Really them did run the things still, you see it? But you don't know music is a journey and we have to chat on, you see it?
Yeah.
And do the things same way. So right now there are 2 flashy records, you see it? You don't know a bit of 2 flashy, you take time do the thing and we take time put some work together. Alongside Cheer 40 Records, which is a Denham Town based recording studio, you see it?
So look like you have the team.